Good morning, students. Today we are going to have a test for an alkaline solution. So for this I have taken a solution of sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide solution, and I have taken two indicators. One is blue litmus solution, the other is red litmus solution. So what I am going to do now, a small drop of sodium hydroxide solution I am going to add to both the litmus solution, and we know that alkaline solution will turn red litmus blue but will not cause any change to the blue litmus. So let us try this. So first I am going to add this is blue litmus, and let us see what kind of change we find in this blue litmus when we add sodium hydroxide solution to it. So here I have sodium hydroxide solution. So when I am adding this, we find there is no change in this. The blue remains the blue only. But on adding sodium hydroxide solution to this red litmus, let us see whether it is changing to blue color or not. So you can see the color is quite dark and has been changed to blue in color. You can easily notice the difference. This was the blue solution which did not change on adding sodium hydroxide solution to it, but in this case, which was red in color, has been changed to blue solution due to addition of sodium hydroxide solution to it. So this confirms that sodium hydroxide solution is alkaline in nature. Now I am going to conduct one chemical test by adding ammonium chloride to this, and after heating the mixture we will find ammonia gas is released, and this ammonia gas is also a basic gas which will turn a moist red litmus paper into blue. So let us see whether it can do so or not. So I am going to add ammonium chloride into sodium hydroxide solution. Is one of the methods to prepare ammonia gas also. So let us see. So for this I have lighted the spirit lamp, and here we have ammonia solution. I will be adding this ammonium chloride into this solution, and on heating it will produce ammonia gas, which is a nature of basic gas. We can test the nature with the help of the moist red litmus. So I am going to add it, and I will also be heating it. Now you can see it has started to boil, and what I am going to do, you can see this is the red litmus. It should be changed to blue in color. So let us see whether it can do it or not. Now if I show you, it is gradually changing into blue in color. So you can see how this has been changed to blue color. The part of the red paper which was in contact with the gas, and this gas was nothing but ammonia gas, which is a basic nature gas. Now if I do the same thing using a blue litmus paper, we will see that this gas cannot change the color of this blue litmus. So again I have heated. You can see the boiling and also the bubbles, and now you can see there is no change in the blue litmus paper. Understood? But the red litmus, I have already shown you how this has been changed to blue in color due to the basic nature of the gas. So I think you have got the differences between an acidic solution and a basic solution. Acidic solution will change blue litmus into red, whereas alkaline solution will change the red litmus into blue. Thank you.